Everybody, Shade here, ParaLife TV. It is Saturday, January the 29th, 2022, and we're getting our very first major snowstorm. We've had other snowstorms, but they only were like 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and accumulated to what you see out here now. But this is our first nor'easter that's going to hit us in the next 24 hours. We're expected up to 25 to 35 centimeters. So really, we don't know. And it is 10:07 a.m. right now, and it just started probably maybe 15 minutes ago. Started to snow. A few flurries were coming down at around 9 a.m. But then in the last 20 minutes, the wind picked up, and it started to snow hard. I was going to head into town to run a few errands, but not anymore. You're in a wheelchair. When you're in a wheelchair and it's snowing out, you just kind of want to stay home. Plus, I'm in my shorts. It's minus 14. Feels like minus 22 degrees Celsius. It's chilly out here. I gotta get some pants on. So I'm going to take some footage every so often. Probably every 4 or 5 hours. I will go around and show you the accumulation of snow that we're going to get. Just to share with all my friends around the world who don't get to experience this lovely weather. So let's just go over here and take a look at the sidewalk. Oh, it's cold. Whoa, that's really windy. I'm gonna come around that corner. Okay, inside. Here's the backyard. Oh, it's cold back here. The winds have picked up. I gotta get inside. My legs are freezing. And yes, I can feel my legs. Even though I'm in a wheelchair, I can feel my legs. Zipper, you wanna come in? You wanna come out? You wanna come out, Zip? You wanna come out? Zipper, come on. You wanna come out? Come on. You wanna come out? You wanna come? Come, go pee. Good boy. I'm going in. You go out. Guys, welcome back. It is about 4 hours since my last post. I'm following the storm. And we are full-blown nor'easter right now. And let's just see here. You can take a look here at the whole province. We're right here, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, PEI, and Newfoundland. So we're right here. I'm in this white belt in Fredericton, in that belt. So it's showing 40 to 50 centimeters of snow. I'm not sure how well you can see that. Trying the best I can there. So right now we still have power. The lights are still on the house. And I'm going to show you outside my office window. Snow is coming down. That's out in the front. Okay, I'm going to take you out to the garage and in the backyard. Okay, we're outside. Well, I'm in the garage. Here's what it looks like right now. Last time I was out here was 4 hours ago. It's 2 o'clock right now. Last time I was out, it was at 10 a.m. And a lot of snow has come down. I do have pants on this time, but I don't have any shoes on. So I'm not going to go any further. So that wind is strong. It is cold out here. It's going to be a lot of snow. Okay, I'm going to take you around back. Okay, so here's, I'm going to turn it around here in a second, but here's out back, looking out my window in my backyard. The snow is just a swirling out there. So we'll keep watching on the watch on my fire, my little stove. We'll see how high the snow gets up in the front of the stove. You can see how much snow came down, but it's really hard to tell exactly how much is going to come down because it's blowing around a lot. And it's just going to get worse with the wind. Okay, I'm going to take you out the back door. Okay, take a look at this. Oh, look. Door, can't even open the door. I gotta get that shoveled out for the dogs. Wow, that's wicked. And I gotta get the dog leash in too. That's what kids are for. I'll get them to shovel and I'll get them to bring in the dog leash. Look at that, that is amazing. These Woo, it's cold. Okay, time to go in. I'll be back. Alright, before I let you go, I'm going to show you the front of the house. There's my polar bear. He's seen better days. See him? Whew. So that snow is coming down. Okay, that's it for now. Guys, we're back. 2.5 hours from last time I recorded. It's around 4:30 now, and the last time I was on is around 2 o'clock. It's because it's getting dark out, so I wanted to show you one last time before it gets dark what the storm is looking like. I have to open up the garage door here. Whoa! Your yard hasn't slowed down any. Still coming down. Still quite windy. Look at the drifts. See the drift between the car and the house? I'm going to go around back and take a peek. We'll take a look at the stove. See how high the snow is up on there. As you can see, lights, we still have power. So that's good. But I'm all prepared for power outage if it happens. We've got the water inside, water jugs inside filled up. I have flashlights. I found a couple more flashlights and spare batteries. There's food. There's all kinds of leftover pizza in the fridge, which I can't eat. Well, I can, but I choose not to. So I'll find something. But I do have a barbecue. I have a tabletop barbecue right here. Tabletop barbecue. I got propane tanks over there. Don't worry, there's no gas in that. I emptied the gas out of the gas tank. So yeah, prepared. We got heat. Our house has our primary source of heat is electric, but I have propane as a secondary. So if the power goes out, we need to throw on the propane heat. We'll throw that on. So yeah, it's gotta wait out the storm. Like I said, it's 4:30 now, and it's still ramping up that wind. Okay, so I shoveled out the back door already once, and so 2.5 hours ago. Let's check it out now. Let's see. Oh gosh, look at that. I did get the dog's leash in. It's in the garage. Oh gosh, look at that. I have to shovel it out again. Ah, look. It's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow down already. Look at the trees. Oh, that's wicked cold. Okay, let's go around to the other window. I'm gonna see. Whoa! I just got covered in snow. Okay, let's go look out the other window so I can see the little stove out back. See where the snow is up to that. Not to come back here and shovel that out again. To come back and shovel that out. Hey Maggie, you want to go play in the snow, don't you? Tomorrow, okay? It's too cold out there for you. Well, she probably is not. She would love it. But she wouldn't know enough to come back in. Okay, let's take a look at the stove. There it is. Oops, there it is. That'll be buried. Oh, that is up. A lot of snow down already. It's been storming for 6 hours, 6.5 hours. It started around 10 o'clock this morning. The trees are just going back and forth. All right. I'm getting laughed at. So I'll check it in a couple hours. See if I can get you some night shots. See if I can get you some night shots of this. What am I? Oh, I'm keep backing over these dog toys. They couldn't go anywhere. I'm trying to back up from the table and I kept these dog toys. Which is Mel from eggs. Yeah. You want to get in the freezer? Okay, stick around. Don't go too far, because I'm not. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back now. Check in. It is 9 p.m. I think I just peeked out the window and it looked like the storm. It wasn't snowing out. It wasn't snowing anymore. I'm gonna go over and take a look here. A little dark. I made it dark inside the house so it's easy to catch what's going on outside. So here we go. We'll take a look outside. A lot of snow. Look at the snow drift up on the window. Still very windy out. You can see. Very windy. A lot of snow came down because if you look at the picnic table, there's no snow on the picnic table. But if you look down here, all kinds of snow. It's just one big drift. Okay, so let's go out. Let's go out and see if I can't open the door. We'll take a peek out of the front door first here before I go out back. Still open it. Polar bear survived. Sorta.
Snow?
Yep, there's popcorn.
No,
Say hi to YouTube. Okay. Alright, that was the backyard and the front. Let's see if I can't get out this door here. Maggie wants to go out. Oh boy, does she ever. Oh, whoa, look at the snow that came in. I don't know if you can see that. Snow. Maggie, we're going to go at the garage. I don't think I can open this door. Look at the snowbank. Yeah, we're going to go out to the garage, okay? So I don't know if you can see the snowbank, snowdrift. Stay there, Megs. You stay there. We'll go out in the front, because I know our plow guy came by. Don't Megs, shut the door. Come on. Come on. Watch out. Come on. There we go. We're going to go at the garage. Okay, we're going to go at the garage, because I know that I've seen we have a guy that comes and plows my driveway, and I know he made a run already, so the dogs will be able to get out and do their business. There. Come on, Zip. Want to come? Come on. Okay, I'm going to pause it here. Okay, so we didn't lose power, which is great. Where's Megs? We didn't lose power. Let's take a look at this snow. All right. There. It stopped snowing. There she goes. Stopped snowing, but the forecast says still 5 to 10 tonight. See, our plow guy came. He did run. He actually snow blows it out. Did his first run. It's a nice little dumping of snow we got. That's going to help the ski trails a lot next week. I know we didn't get 45 or to 50, or what were they calling for? 40 to 50? I don't even think we got 40. Might have got 30. Okay, you done? Maybe not. It's cold. Holy smokes, it's cold. It was minus 14 when I looked before coming out, with wind chill, minus 24. And I have jacket on, I have pants on and shoes on, hat and gloves. Okay, I do get Megs. Maggie, come on. What's she doing? Oh, she's not done her business yet. So the brunt of the storm is over. Still calling 5 to 10 tonight, but I can't see it. So, yeah, I'll be cleaning off cars tomorrow. And that's nice. The Santa Fe is not even buried at all. Sweet. Neither car, really, because the wind so strong kept the cars clear. Come on, Maggie. Come inside. Come on. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on inside. Smile for the camera. You smile for the camera? There she is. Are you done? It's cold out here. Are you done? I want to go inside. Come on. Let's go inside. Come on. She could stay out here all night. Crazy dog. She loves outside. Come on. Come on. Come. Come. There we go. You go that way. Go. Good morning. It is January 30th. The storm is past. And I'm going to show you outside the aftermath, all the snow that we got. It is bright, sunny, blue skies out there today. So you can see the snow is in the backyard. There's the picnic table. And you can see my little stove over there. We got a lot of snow. Now a lot of wind too. The wind is still quite windy out there. It's minus 12. And with the wind chill, it's minus 22. So it's not a nice day out there. It's very chilly. So you can see the window here, the snow up to the window. Got the patio door. You can see the snow. Okay. Let's go out to the back door. I don't think we can get out. Whoa, look at that. I don't know if you can see that really well. Yeah. I don't think we can open that door. And if you wanted to get out, Maggie, you couldn't because you can't go through that snow. Yeah, no way we're opening that door. Look at the drifts. 3.5 feet. Snow drifts. I don't know if I can get out there to see it. There. Let's go to the driveway. Yeah, we're going to go in the driveway, Maggie. We can't get out this way. Come on. Watch out. Watch out. Zipper decided to get up. Good morning, Zipper. You gotta go outside? He's like, yeah, if I have to. All right, let's go outside. Come on. Oh, it's cold out there. I gotta pause it for a second. Okay, my glove back on. Okay, let's see what we're in for when I open the garage door. Okay. Oh. Oh, you gotta go, Zipper. Yeah, so I came out last night around 11 o'clock to let the dogs out, and it was snowing hard again. So yeah, we got a few more. Look, see where the plow guy, we probably got another, I don't know, close to 10 centimeters last night. So we got a good dump in the snow. Oh yeah, we got a good dump in the snow. Probably 35, 40. Maybe 35. I'd say 30 to 35 that we got. So I got to shovel all this away from the garage because our plow guy won't come in that close. So I'm going to go inside and get a coffee, get some breakfast, watch the hockey highlights, and then start shoveling after that. All right? See ya. You want breakfast, Maggie? You want some breakfast? Yeah, when I put the dogs out just a little earlier, I think it was around 10 o'clock I came out, and I was just hanging out here waiting for the dogs to do the thing, so I started shoveling. And the dogs are inside now because it's quite cold out here. And I just kept shoveling. I kept shoveling and shoveling. I said, might as well do it now. I'm all dressed. Got my winter jacket on, gloves, hat, so it's not too bad if you stay out of the wind. So here's what I did. Shoveled away from the garage. So here's my path that I shoveled. Shoveled up there, all the way down here. I just kept going. I only wanted to do to the door, but I was like, well, I might as well keep going and show you how deep the snow got out back. So I kept shoveling, I kept shoveling, till about here. And I just wanted to show you here the pretty bright. You might not be able to see the snow drift. It's about 3 feet. Easy. It just kept getting deeper and deeper. Yeah, I mean the sun back here. I'm out of the wind right now, and I'm out of the wind right now, and I can feel the heat, the warmth of the sun on my face. So it's beautiful back here. And I'm just looking at my Santa Fe. The snow in the window where the sun is shining is starting to melt off. So I mean, it's minus 12 when I came out. Wind chill of minus 22. So, but when you're out of that wind, I mean, yeah, it's beautiful out here. So, yeah, I'm not going to shovel the rest of that right now, or ever. I'm going to wait till my snow removal guy comes and do that. Then I always go after him and widen it out a bit. Because I like to have a nice wide, clear walkway for the dogs. Okay, and I also had to shovel a path out to the Santa Fe. And the snow is very light. Like, it's very light. So, I mean, I did this only all about 20 minutes. Shoveled this here. So I had to shovel a path to Santa Fe, pop the hood, because it would not start. So I shoveled it there. I was informed yesterday it wasn't going to start, and it already started to storm yesterday when I found out. And I was like, well, I'm not going out in the storm to boost it or put the battery pack on it. I'm just going to let it ride, and I'll dig it out today. So I got to go get put the battery on the charger there and give it a little bit of juice. It's almost there, ready to start. Just needs a little kick. So, and I don't want to dig that guy out or the van to come over and boost it. So I'm just going to put the charge on it for half hour or so, and then that's that. So I'm going to wheel with you between my legs. I got the camera between my legs. I'm trying to hold it steady. And then let's see if I can show you the front. Here's the side, front walk. There's a lot of drifting. There's my snow, my polar bear. His head came off. The neighbor's blowing snow. Wow, there's a lot of snow down. I'd say 35. I came down just by looking at the snowbank, at the plow, the road plow plowed up there at my end of my driveway. I'm going to check it out. See if I can't get a better shot at it for you. I don't think so. Maybe back by the Santa Fe. They're going to push it between my legs again. There you go. Enjoy. Yeah, kind of not. You can't really see. If you're looking way down at the end of the driveway, how high? I think it's about a 3-foot bank. Easy. We don't usually get too big banks on this edge, on this end here, because it mostly gets pushed off into the ditch. But coming around that corner, they push the snow back off the road as far as they can, so you can make it so it's visible when you're coming around the corner. So you can see the cars at the stop sign, and the cars at the stop sign can see cars going back and forth on Blake. So they always push that snow way back in my driveway. That's always the biggest bank to shovel, but I don't shovel. All right, I'm going back inside. Let's go back inside. Okay. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Well, actually, I'm gonna throw the charger on the battery. Then I'm gonna go inside and get my coffee, get my breakfast, and watch the hockey highlights. All right. I'll take one more video after this to showing the total cleanup, what it looks like when it's fully cleaned up. Okay. I'll be back. All right, everybody, how are you now? Okay, so storm passed through, like I said previously, but here's all the cleanup, just to show you the results of cleaning up all the snow that we got dumped on. So Maggie's out on watch, Zipper's out walking around with us too. Okay, so the driveway's all cleared off. I do have a guy who comes in and plows it, or he blows it out for us, and excuse all the dog, all the poopsicles. We had to put the dogs out in the driveway. I got to remove that and clean that up because there's so much snow back where they generally go that they couldn't go because there's too much snow. See, there's more there too. Got to clean up. So the walkways are clear. The guy that comes does my driveway. He'll shovel out the walkway. However, it's just like a brushing through. I go back, I widen it and scrape it down because you got to make sure, I'm able to get through there with my wheelchair, and anybody have safe passage through there if you need to exit for any kind of emergencies. Because we did actually have a house fire like 4 years ago, and I won't get too much far into that story. Thankfully it was in the fall, and thankfully everyone did get out okay. And you want to come, Maggie? Come on. And everyone got it okay, all the animals. And but anyways, I'm stuck on some ice. I won't go too far into that right now. I'll talk about that after in another video. Okay, so dug that out. And then I came around. You see the snowbanks? They're high. Nice blanket of snow. So this is where the dogs will generally go out when we tie them out back. Sorry, there's Zipper. There you are. He loves eating snow. We usually have them out back, and they go up over here out into the yard and do their business. But like you see, look at all the snow. Old Zipper there. He's you having fun, boy? He can't get up over those snowbanks. So eventually I'm going to cut those down. But still, even if he gets up on those snowbanks, that snow's so deep, he's going to be able, he's just going to sink. He won't be able to walk through there and do his stuff. And same with Maggie. She loves running through, but they can't do their business. So it's wintertime. They're just going to go wherever they can go, and we'll clean it up. So look at the snow that we got here. Why do you keep Zipper? Hey, Zip. What are you doing? And so I continued to shovel right up to about here. This way, boy. Up to about here, you can see where I stopped. So I wanted to continue to widen it out, just so I can have, so anyone can have safe exit if they need to, exit the house in emergencies. And then my daughter, bless her heart, she dug out the fireplace for me. Look at that! What a great job that is. All in behind it and everything. It's a better job than I did. So I'll probably go where you see Maggie over there. I got to continue on that way. Just widen that up and scrape it down some. And get ready for another storm. Because I just checked the weather. What what are we, Wednesday? So we had our last storm was on Saturday. It's Wednesday now, and we are going to have another major snowstorm come up Friday. It's supposed to be up to 20 centimeters of snow and freezing rain, so who knows what we're going to get. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.